Okay guys, I am working on the prompt stars today for Junk Journal July. And I laid this down last night, but I was just stumped on what to do next. So I just cut out these little stars because I wanted something that was matte. And when I was looking through magazines first, just everything was just too, what do you call it? It was too shiny. And since I'm going for this more vintage or weather look for this journal, I just wanted something that wouldn't be too shiny, right? Just to fill that little gap there. So I'm just picking it, even if it's not the most perfect thing that I had in mind. I just need to move on to the next prompt because, again, this is a practice. This isn't going in a museum or something. So just relax, place, and glue. I'm using one of those cheap cutting boards as a glue surface, just in case you were wondering what I was doing there. Yeah, I'm trying to not take this challenge too seriously or these prompts too seriously and have fun with them, experiment, try things or combinations I might not have otherwise. And so by having like a prompt with a restriction, that restriction could be good. Because it's only limited to, what your imagination or interpretation of that theme is. So there's so many ways you can interpret the term star. You could be talking about famous figures, or you could be talking about just literally the shape stars, or in astro, those burning masses. So it just can be interpreted in so many ways. So am I super duper in love with this? No, but it's fun just gluing things down and trying different combinations. So that's what this is about, getting unstuck. For me anyway. And I think for a lot of people. That's why these prompt lists are so fun. Like Febrelage, for example. If you haven't seen in my other videos, something... Oh, what was I saying? I'm getting distracted by reading these things. Oh, if you haven't seen on channel, Blades Collage, you can find some of the past Febrelage challenges that I've participated in the last few years, if that is something you're interested in. Okay, nothing there right now. Where do I want to set this? I'm running out of room, you guys. I also have this sticker sheet. They're a little shiny, but not too much. So, I think, maybe putting this stars. I normally don't put letters. I don't even know if I'll like this. Might regret it later. Let's see. Let's make it look more aged. Pun intended. I think there's this idea when past generations look back at when they were younger or a particular era in time and look at that as the golden age. I don't know, what do you guys think? What does it mean to you, this phrase, the golden age? And how it's pertaining to me is because this is supposed to be old Hollywood figures that served, I believe. I'm not sure. I don't know if you can see what's written down who these people are. Like, I recognize some of them. That's how I know some of these are actors. But they had originally this title, Hollywood Service. So I imagine some of these Greetings. Rude to interrupt. Oh, I never read the Abraham Lincoln quote. Okay. That this nation under God shall have a new birth of freedom. That's it. I know the prompt freedom is coming up. Flag Hollywood. That's kind of funny. My gosh, you guys. Talk about stay sticky. Sticking to everything. Everything's sticking to my fingers. Okay. The Golden Age Vice. Let's go with that. Okay. What else? Could always add more later too. There's nothing in the rules that says you can't. How about this side? This side needs some stars. Do 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 do.